Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. If WhatsApp status videos are playing without audio, these methods may help you fix the issue. So let's get started. First, restart your phone. Sometimes restarting fixes temporary glitches and sound problems automatically. Now check if the issue is still there. If the problem continues, make sure your Bluetooth is not connected to any device. Sometimes audio gets redirected to wireless earbuds or speakers or any other gadgets. Now open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Check if any update is available. If you see an update, install it. Using the latest version can fix bugs and audio issues. If the issue is still there, open Settings on your phone. Then tap on Apps. Now look for WhatsApp and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Now open WhatsApp again and check if the sound is working. If the problem is still not fixed, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Then reinstall it again from the Play Store. After reinstalling, the no sound issue should be fixed. So this is how you can fix no sound on WhatsApp status. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.